When I first started making these videos, I didn't want to be all cheesy and shit when I start them out and say, hello, YouTube, but hello, what the hell? I'm making these damn things so you watch them, so what do I care if you think it's cheesy? I think it's cheesy, and I'm doing it. So, if you watch the video where I PlastiDipped my bike, I said it was an experiment. It was, they don't do bike kits on DipYourCar.com, so I didn't know how much material I needed to use. They have it all figured out for cars. They don't have it figured out for motorcycles. So I got a quart of the base color, I did the base color in cans. Sprayed about 6 layers of gunmetal gray on the bike before I started. And then I got a quart of the HKS purple for the front and a quart of Mardi Gras color shift pearl for the tank and the rear. I had no idea if that was going to be enough because nobody knows. So where was I going with this? So soon after I dipped my bike, Fonzie came out with a different color called 2Z Indigo, and that was going to be my next color. Still is going to be my next color. In fact, it's sitting right over there. But I wanted to see if this is going to peel, because a big complaint I see about, well, a big complaint that I see from other people when they do their PlastiDip jobs is that it won't peel because they didn't put enough material on. So I want to know if basically a half a gallon to do motorcycle fairings was enough. I'm going to use all the material I have from the 2Z kit. It's 1 gallon of black and 1 gallon of the 2Z pearl. So it's going to be twice as much as I put on this time. But let's see if it peels. Another thing I've seen people do wrong is they didn't watch the videos that Fonzie does on how to peel it. And he always takes a microfiber cloth and rubs the edges to get that peel started. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see if it peels. Okay, for the most part the bike has to be disassembled to peel all the PlastiDip off of it. I'm gonna try a couple pieces while it's still on the bike, and I'm not gonna show the entire process of peeling the bike, but I wanna see if it'll peel, so a couple of the pieces will be peeled while it's on the bike to see if it does it. So we'll start with this fairing right here, since it's right in front. And let's see how Fonzie does this. Okay, that's bringing an edge up. Now, because when I sprayed this, I sprayed around the front of the tip right here because it shows. So it's a little harder to get started than... Ooh, that's not a good sign. I'm getting a little bit of rippage. It'll be interesting to see how the pieces that are just painted on one side work. I don't know if it's tearing because it's on both sides or it's tearing because I didn't do enough. But it's looking like it will peel. Okay, so it could be thicker. Thicker is not going to hurt, but it is peelable. Maybe not as thick as I would like it. Show some of that on camera. Focus, dude. There you go. So, you can see it's gray on the back. and this weird purple that it came out on the front. Yeah, it is tearing on the edge because I did paint on the backside, and it is tearing around the bolts. Problem you don't have with cars because you don't paint around bolts like this. That's another difference between motorcycles and cars when you plastic dip. Alright, I'm going to show this. Alright, see the edge? When you take the microfiber under, it grabs the PlastiDip and gives you that little bit of edge under there to grab. Now, let's see. Oh, that's a good sign. So I'm going to get the whole edge started. I know it's going to tear around this little bracket. That's alright. But, check that out. There, I got a rip in it. That is nice and strong. Cool. So I did put it on thick enough. Now, got a lot of peeling to do. So you are just going to sit up here. Okay, whoever at Yamaha thought it was a good idea to use these little plastic screw into this instead of the regular push type rivets, stop it. We don't like these. Stop. Share, comment, do all that YouTube stuff. Tell your friends about it. I'm going to do some more videos. The next one will probably be, I don't know, I might go for a ride and record that. But eventually I'm going to paint that in 2Z Indigo Pearl. Okay, the bike's all back together. And I've had a comment on my exhaust install video that I never did a sound check on it. So I promised to do one next time I did a video. Later.